Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, and enabling students, investors, everyone in making their own investment decisions. How we make? Through our educational videos in English and Tamil that we have published through our company video. That's very useful, and it will enhance the knowledge of everyone. So that is one. Number two is with our innovative investment strategies, so that we impart as part of our training programs. So with that, let's go into today's video. Today is, in every video we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when, and how it will happen, which is why we request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. So today is May 9, 2023, Tuesday. So Bank Nifty and Nifty. Bank Nifty closed 43,198.2% down, while Nifty remained flat. So what happened? So both Bank Nifty and Nifty, it opened above yesterday's high, but ultimately closed within the body of the yesterday's candle. So that means there is some pullback that is happening, but definitely it is not a reversal. Unless otherwise, we see a gap down opening, and particularly in Bank Nifty, and if all the exponential moving averages are broken down again, if that happens, I would say that it is a reversal. Even if that happens, as I have been telling, in the month of May, you won't see big up move or down move. That's what is happening. You can see for that. Okay, I have been telling since the beginning of the month. So even whatever it happens, you can't expect, you don't expect a big up move or down move, at least in this month. Next month, yes, things can change as how like global markets operate. But generally, there is a feeling that global markets, the fear of recession has receded, which is why people are now once again they are giving a target of 20,000, 30,000, whatever numbers they want. These analysts will come and give targets. People are not questioning them. In fact, if someone would have questioned their wisdom a year back or 2 years back when they had given these numbers and which it has not reached, so they don't have an answer. Anyway, that is their role. They are doing that. So coming back to that, so technically, market does not move on the basis of fundamentals, but moves only on the basis of demand and supply, emotions of the market, the mood of the market. The mood of the market is nothing but demand and supply, which is accurately captured by technical analysis. So today's video, banks, Federal Bank fell 1%, SBI fell 2%, AU, Axis and IndusInd Bank up by 1%. So Axis is something which is looking good. If someone is thinking for a long term I mean 6 months to 1 year, I think Axis will fit the bet. People are saying ICICI. I would say that it is better to avoid ICICI because it is run away too much. So Axis is a better bet. That is what I would say. Technically, it is looking for someone with a long-term investment horizon of 6 months to 1 year. They can enjoy the benefit of good up move that can happen in Axis in the next 3 to 6 months. On the financials, Bajaj Finance, L&T Finance, LIC Housing Finance fell 1%, Chola and M&M Finance fell 2%, HDFC up 1%, Manappuram up 4%. See, Bajaj Finance, what happened? It has crossed decisively the 200-day moving average yesterday. It was so decisive that it will be tempting for anyone, including analysts like me, to go for chase it. But having an experienced trader, I did not do that. Okay, so wait, patience is the key. Like how Sunil Gavaskar used to say in test match, patience is the key. So what had happened? Today, Bajaj Finance formed a first reversal and it closed below the 200-day moving average. Now, is it a one-day pullback that it has come down, or is it a trend reversal? So probably the next few days we will come to know. If it is a trend reversal, just avoid Bajaj Finance, because two things. One is that Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Cholamandalam, all these stocks are great stocks, but their price to book is very high. That means it is quoting at it's costly. That's what I would say. And technically, this Bajaj Finance is the first reversal that it has formed. Normally, they say first reversal you have to ignore. So hence, no, monitor. If a second reversal is forming, or if it is trending down and if it is not able to cross above the 200-day moving average once again, then it is a signal that If you have Bajaj Finance, exit immediately. That is what it is. If you are thinking of entering, don't enter now. That's what, simple. Likewise, Manappuram is something which went up by 4%. If you recollect, it fell last week. I said 10%, it down. 2 days later, it went up by 4%. Another 2-3% up. Now 4% up. All these things will happen. But where there is an event-based movement happening, just wait for the event to be over. I don't know. I am not following that news about the stock. What happened to that ED search and other things. So let things stabilize. Then always you will have an entry point. On the insurance and cards, LIC fell 1%, ICICI General, ICICI Pru and SBI cards up by 1%, others remained flat. In oil and telecom, both Bharti and Reliance remained flat. IT, Intellect, LTTS up by 1%, along with TCS, LTIM up by 2%, and Birla Soft up by 7%. It has a fabulous up move. So overall, IT stocks fared better today, with HCL Tech looking promising to go up. If the next month by June, if HCL Tech is able to hold these levels and global markets, particularly the banking industry, stabilizes, HCL Tech is another stock that will be the first one to fire from the IT. So probably to be very clear, let me tell you, HDFC is the first stock that can go up very much in the IT pack. Hence, the HCL Tech is something which you can monitor closely. Probably June end, you can wait till that time because it is 6 months over and the next quarter is also over. Then one can think of entering if it is able to hold these levels. On the consumer goods, ABFRL fell 1% along with ITC. ITC, I have been telling that it has run too much. Hence, it is a pullback, but not a big reversal. So, but don't expect big up move from ITSC in this from now on till the end of this year. Berger, Colpal and Trent up by 1%. Automobiles, Bharat Forge, Escorts down 1%. Hero Motors, M&M and Tata Motors 1% up. Hero Motors is looking good. Technically, it is looking good. So, probably, next second half, that is July to December, it will be month of Hero Motors. That is what technically it is showing. Signals are coming. On the metals, Hindalco, Jindal Steel, JSW down 1%. Coal, National Aluminium, Vedanta, NMDC up 1%. In the health and pharma, Apollo down 1%. Cipla, Dr. Reddy, Thyrocare up by 1%. Divi's Lab up by 3%. In the others category, DLF, Godrej down 1% along with Havels, India Mart, IRCTC, Polycab, Jubilant Food. Delta Corp down 2%, UPL down 3%, Zomato down 6%, Adani Ports up 1%, others remained flat. So as far as a DLF and Godrej, it has run too much. Hence, no, there is a pullback that is happening. So it is better to wait because there won't be any significant up move from here, though the fall also will not be significant, at least in DLF. As far as Zomato is concerned, I have told my views many times here in this video that Zomato and other things, unless otherwise they make profit, please do not enter. It's a very simple logic you ask. If you are running a small business, will you say that no, my turnover is 1 crore, but what is the profit? No profit, loss is 10 lakhs. People will put you in jail. No, whoever has given loan, they will try to take over their assets from you and or your personal assets. If not, they will take your personal assets. If you cannot pay, they will put you in jail. So because it is a corporate will that exists, these companies are surviving with losses. So unless otherwise it makes profit, please do not enter. There is always a time. That's what my suggestion would be. People will do valuations. Valuations are, anybody can do any valuation to justify anything. So with all these things, what is the option expiry? We are not changing any levels because it is more or less close at the same levels. So on the resistance, we again maintain that all-time high of 44,151.80 on Bank Nifty will act as a resistance. For support, once again it is the same 41,714, which is the 50-day moving average. For Nifty, it is 18,474, weekly upper band. Of course, that level has slightly gone up, which is hence no, you can consider 18,500. That is the level. And daily moving average, 20-day daily exponential moving average, which is at 17,863, will act as a support. Thank you very much.